If you are experiencing sluggish performance on your Windows 10 PC due to a high resource usage, don't worry. In this tutorial, we will guide you through a series of steps to identify and resolve the issues, ensuring your system runs smoothly. Before we start, I encourage you to watch the tutorial until the end, as some points might be familiar while others are crucial to optimizing your system performance. Let's get started. So the step number 1, check for malware and viruses. Run a through system scan using a trusted antivirus or anti-malware program. This ensures that your system is free from harmful softwares that could be causing resource overutilization. In my case, I'm using Windows 10, and mostly the Windows 10 and Windows 11 have a security defender. Just use it and scan your PC. Now make sure click on the scan option and scan for the first time. Full scan, check all files and running program on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Step number 2, update Windows and drivers. Keep your Windows operating system up to date by checking for and installing the latest updates. Updates device drivers such as graphic and chipset drivers to ensure optimal capability and performance. Click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. Once you over here, check for updates and security, and then scan for updates further. I just disable the Windows updates just for some reasons, but in your case you can just click on the scan for Windows update and update your Windows operating system. Also, if you are using NVIDIA graphic card, then simply click on the Windows icon and then search for GeForce Experience. Once you open the GeForce Experience, just click on the driver sections and check for updates. If there are any updates available, make sure to download the latest updates. Number 3, identify resource hungry process. Open the task manager by clicking on the taskbar. Once you open the task manager, now sort processes by CPU, memory or disk usage to identify which applications are consuming the most resources. Just click on the status icon. Now this will show you here all the information that which application is using your resource much. Suppose this Riot client is using much resource of my RAM, just right click on it and end task. This will fix your problem. Number 5, disable startup programs. Manage startup applications through the task manager or system configurations tool. Type msconfig in the run dialog box. Disable programs that you don't need to launch at startup. Reduce resource consumptions. So right click on the taskbar, open the task manager and then click on the startup programs. Just click on the arrow down and you will see all the startup programs that run when your Windows boot up. So just disable them, and you can, whenever you need any of these tools, you can launch it later. Also just click on the Windows icon and type here the msconfig. Once you type msconfig, you will see the system configuration. Just open it, click on the boot option, click on the advanced option and number of processor. Just check this option and select the maximum cores. Services and hide all Microsoft services. Now here a few services that are not important, just disable them and then hit apply and OK. Number 6, clean up disk space. Utilize the built-in disk cleanup tools to remove temporary files, system cache and unnecessary data. This free up disk space and can alleviate performance issues. Open this PC and then right click on your C drive where mostly your operating system has been installed. Just then right click on it and go into the properties, then click on the disk cleanup. Once it will scan everything for you and it's small, another window will pop up. Just click on the clean up system files. This will include the Windows update and some further cache. Once it's done, now simply click on OK, so it will delete all the cache and unnecessary junk files from your PC. Number 7, adjust visual effect. Now right click on this PC, go into the properties, navigate the advanced system settings and click on it. Once you click on it, you will see here the performance tab, visual effects, processes, scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. Just click on it and go into the visual effects section. Just select the adjust for best performance and hit apply. Number 8, disable Superfetch and Windows search. Open the services.msc. Just hold the Windows plus R key to open the run dialog box, and in this dialog box you need to type the services.msc and hit enter. Once you open these services, now simply you need to do here, locate the Superfetch and Windows search services and adjust their startup types to improve disk usage. Now in the latest version you will get here the sysmain application that is just like the Superfetch. In the older operating system you need to find the Superfetch. In my case there's a sysmain application. Just disable it first, stop, and then go into the properties and startup type. Just select here disable and hit apply. Also the second option you need to find here the Windows search option. Windows search, just select the service and click on the stop. Once you stop it, just right click on it and go into the properties, startup type, just disable it, hit apply and OK. That will hugely improve your CPU performance, and if you are facing the CPU usage high or RAM usage high, it will instantly drop that. Step number 10. Upgrade hardware. Consider upgrading hardware components such as RAM, CPU or SSD for a substantial performance boost. Upgrade hardware can handle resource intensive tasks more effectively. Step number 11. Use performance diagnostic. Access Windows built-in performance diagnostic tool by searching for performance diagnostic in the search menu. These tools help identify and resolve performance related issues. Now this tool is available only in the latest version of the Windows 10 or Windows 11. In my case, no, this tool is only available in the latest version, so make sure to update your Windows to the latest version. Once you update your window, you can easily find it, the Windows memory diagnostic. Just click on the restart now and check for problems. I'm not doing this because it's take a restart and then it will start their performance test. Anyways, here's the step 9 repeated. So in case if you are facing the high RAM usage, simply you need to go on the browser and search here the RAM map tool. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will see here the Microsoft official website. Just open it and here you will see a download RAM map tool. Once you download it, just open it and extract in the same folder, then run it. Now RAM map 64-bit for 64-bit operating system, and then accept and agree the license terms. Now let me show you a magic. I'm just opening here the task manager just for checking the memory usage. Just click on the performance and open resource monitor. Now just closing the task manager. Now here you can see on the left side RAM map tool and on the right side resource monitor. Now simply click on the memory, and as you can see here my RAM is like hardware reserved 67 MB, in usage 7831 MB, means almost the 8 GB RAM is in use, and modified 55 MB, and standby, that's mean reserved for caches, is around 3 GB, and only I have 1.4 GB free size. I'm using 12 GB RAM. Just click on the RAM map tool in the empty sets and doing one by one. I'm doing it more fastly because I know how it's work, and you can also do the same because it has no disadvantage. And that's it. As you can see here now how much memory I have. I have now almost 8 GB free space. So this will reduce your stretching and improve your speed hugely. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question or might be I missed something that you know, just let me know in the comment section. So next time I'll cover that point for better result.
Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively address high resources usage on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 system, ensure a smoother and more responsive experience. If you continue to face challenges, seeking professional assistance may be a valuable next step. But anyways, if you are facing any issues, just drop your comment. I'll make daily tutorials for you on your request. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.